So Google just released a bunch of new AI tools that we can use right away, and many of them are available completely for free. You don't have to be in the Gemini Advanced or Google One Premium subscription. You can use many of them without paying anything. And one of the tools that I really like is the new Gemini speech generation. So this is basically just a simple text to speech, but the result is pretty realistic. Now, if you want to create a video or maybe create a podcast, but you don't want to say anything, then you can use this new AI tool. So to use the new speech generation from Google, you can navigate to aistudio.google.com. This is the URL, aistudio.google.com, and then you can visit the website and log in with your Google account. And then here, click Generate Media and click Gemini Speech Generation. Here, there are two modes. There is single speaker mode and there is also multi-speaker audio. So if you want to create, let's say, a podcast or a dialogue, then you want to go with multi-speaker. But for this video, I'm going to be using single speaker audio because it's a lot simpler. Now, I'm going to insert some text that later AI will convert into audio speech. So I'm going to be using this very popular line, and let's paste that into this area. And by the way, you can select either using 2.5 Flash or 2.5 Pro. I think the Pro version is much better, but the generation will take a lot longer. But overall, I would say the Flash version is already very good. And after that, you can adjust the setting. I think the temperature is more about the creativity level of the audio, but I guess I'm going to be using the default setting. And lastly, you can select the audio profile. Again, I'm going to be using the default setting. Just click run and wait for this tool to convert the text into audio. And it is actually pretty quick.
To be or not to be, that is the question. Whether 'tis nobler in the mind to suffer the slings and arrows of outrageous fortune, or to take arms against a sea of troubles, and by opposing, end them.
That's really amazing. That's so realistic. And of course, if you want to create with a different voice, you can always change the voice, and you can also put maybe a different style of text. If you write something that is more like article or just a blog post, then the AI will understand and it will adjust the tone accordingly. That's really amazing. So go ahead, use the new speech generation from Google via aistudio.google.com. And later I'll make a video about how you can make dialogue or podcast using multi-speaker audio in this tool. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.